Good day, traders. How you doing today? I hope all is well. Okay, we're on the 2-minute chart. As you can see right up here, 2-minute. And we're trading the S. We're looking at the S&P. Okay, now here was the first trade. Right here. Three amigos. One amigo, two amigo, three amigo, four. Okay, right there. And that went down like that. Your entry would have been right here. It was on the open. You can see it went right back up. Well, yeah, it was just around the open. I know I did this trade right here and took profit right in here. And then they started their fucking grind fake out all the way down here for a while, as you can see. Then they broke out in here. And guess who fell for this fucking trap? Me. That's who. Let me show you here. That trade to enter in here long. Okay, well, we'll put the... No, that's not it, is it? No. Come on, Jason. Get it together. Get your shit together. Anyway, and then we had some, lowers the grind down, grab. Every time it came back up, people who were buying, they fucking fucked them because they brought it right back down again. So I thought, we're over this now. We did it for like half an hour, or if not longer, I think, longer. So let me show that to you. So that's the trade right from there to there. Okay, so you would have entered somewhere in here, right? I entered somewhere a little bit above here, and it kept fucking hammering its head right here and wouldn't fucking break out up here. It's supposed to break out up here. No. No. See? Right here? See how they're banging their fucking head on the ceiling, on the fucking resistance that they created? It's like another ledge, but it's not a ledge to buy, it's a ledge to sell. And as you can see, they fucking sold it all right. So anyway, I had to, once it started tumbling down, I had to right away. That's what I was trying to tell you in this other video, which is very hard to do for most traders. And it was very hard for me to do for many, many years. I've been trading for 23 years. But now I know I jumped the fuck off the ship. So I jump off the long ship somewhere in here, right? And then I waited to see what it would do, and it came down quickly here, and I jumped on it, back on the ship, the seller ship of fools. Because I was on the buyer ship of fools up here, but then I dumped. I got out. Here, hold on. Okay, so I got out and I got short, and I took the profit somewhere right here. So I got back my loss and a small profit, and I took it, and that was it. I wasn't about to do anything else, right? So anyway, yeah. So that's what they were doing here, and they proved it. They proved this ledge right there. They proved it 100% when they rammed it down their throat down here. And then look what they did. They rammed it back up your nose over here. Probably now it's gonna fucking go up. Who knows? But I'm done for the day. I'm doing the video here. Okay. So anyway, but let me show you. This is where I seen this. The reason why I got short after being sucked into the longs. Okay. Remember I was long here and I got out somewhere here? Yeah. Well, and then once I got out, I quickly looked and went, oh, look. There's the divergence. There it is, the hard to see divergence. Right here. Right? Boom. I know there's lots of lines on here. See? This one going back, this one going down. That's a sell trade right in here somewhere, and down it went. It was a success. So that was my reason to get into the short after dumping the bad long trade that they suckered me into, right? See how they change things up from day to day? Yesterday, they took it all the way down and then they took it all the way back up. You know, a V shape. Did they do that today here? Not really. It's a different ball game. They change it up every day just to fucking trick you. They want to trick you. Just had to get some water, and I need to tone my voice down. I get excited and I talk a little loud. If I sound a little loud, I should just turn down your volume a little bit, and you'll be okay. Okay? Okay. So anyway, yeah. I did a sell trade in here. It was good. I took profit, but it was not enough profit for me. So I waited patiently. I said, yeah. Okay, are you fit? You know, when this candle closed up above the 5, closed up above the 7 right in here, I said, okay, are you done now? Or is this another buy fake that you're going to fuck me with and like that you fucked all the people in here with, right? So I did it. I tried it. You know, no fucking fear, man. Here we go. So I tried it, and you know the story. They took it down. I got out of the long, and then I went short, and I got the loss back plus a profit. Okay, so let's now look at. I don't think there's anything to look at on the 5-minute, is there? Actually, there is. Let's take a quick. Well, we'll just look at it on MetaTrader. Okay, that was the S&P. Okay, let's look at the MNQ, the Q. Oh, is that the Q? Yeah, that's the Q. That is the Q. It just had a much bigger run down than the S&P. Holy shit. Look at this thing. Okay, same kind of trade. Look. 3 amigos. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 3 amigos. And down here, something like this. Okay? That little blue doodah right there. The little doodah. Yeah, the doodah. Okay. So, just like on the S&P, you would have got short right in here and down it went. Then it came back up, and look at the beautiful trades on this one. Whoa! I'm trying to stay away from the Nasdaq right now because it can be very violent and very deadly to your pocketbook, right? So that's what I do. I stay away from it right now, and I just try and trade the S&P. So anyway, here is a higher close right there. Come on, you little bitch. Come on. Remove. Let's try this again. Okay. There. Now I'm on the right candle. So higher close on the opening of this candle right here where the arrow's pointing to it. That's where you would have sold it, and it went down here. Then there was another one. There's a lot of these setups today. They were just beautiful. But I wasn't even looking at the Nasdaq. You're gonna fuck me again. Fuck off. Okay. This one. That's the one I want. So higher close, sell it. Down it goes. Okay. Then we had a buy fake and a hook down. Right here. See, we had the first one close above, and then on the no, it was down here. Then on this candle here, you would have sold it, and look, boom, it went down. See another hook down right here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Lots of fucking beautiful trades on the Nasdaq today, according to my, setups. That is. Okay. And now watch us. They're gonna take it up, the fuckers. You motherfucker. Okay. Yeah, right in here. Yeah, you're going, what is he doing? He's putting the arrow first. He's supposed to draw the divergence first. What a guy. What is he doing? He's trying to confuse me? Son of a beehive. There we go. There it is. That's all the setups on the NASDAQ. 2-minute chart we're looking at, ladies and gents. Yeah, it's going to go up nicely now. Now it's like a very easy trade, and it's going to go, I don't know where it's going to go. I can't predict where the fuck it's going to go, but right now, it looks like it's going back up. Right? It looks like it's going back up. Let's go get that MetaTrader now, and we'll pull it over. Come on. Get up in there. That's oil. Okay, here's the NASDAQ. 5-minute. Okay. And what do we have here? We have higher highs. Remember I told you about the higher highs? I know you remember. I know you do. Yeah, something. It looks kind of weird, this thing here, but it's like that. Here, let me show you. Oh, no. It's not like that. Come on. That goes there. Come on over. That's it. I know you can't see it, but there's a little... See the little blue doodad right there? Yeah. Oh, and this is coming from way the fuck over here. Okay. We tweak it a little bit. We'll make it line up. It's still a high retracement, higher high, right? Does it line up now? Yeah, yeah, yeah. And right there, yeah, yeah. See, perfect. It lines up now. It's all good. Just have to tweak it a little bit. Once price would come down and close down here, it's like almost like the divergence doesn't really matter anymore because it's gone to the next step of the criteria for the trade to sell it, okay? Because there's two criterias. The first criteria is the price came back down, closed below the 2 moving averages, and the 5 crossed down below and closed below the 7 EMA, the 5, right? And then you just look for enter right there, and down it goes, okay? My fellow traders. Yeah, right there. Or you wait for a higher close, sell it, down it goes, which is also right there, okay? There's the higher close. You would have sold it here, and whammo, it went down. And then there was another higher close right here. Oh, where am I now? Oh, yeah, right here. Okay, higher close, a little bit of, and then you sell it, down it goes. Here's another one right here. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. And then there's one more I got to put on there for you, ladies and gents. Right there. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Success, 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 and success. Yes. 4 successes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trades that got you all in with very little drawdown. This is the only one right here that had some drawdown. This one, boom, it went down. This one, boom, it went down. It was just beautiful. Okay, let's move on now to the S&P 5-minute. Oh yeah, same kind of. That's a funky thing. It's looking a little funky there. I don't know. I'd call it whatever. It's a little weird, and you just draw it like this. Yeah, just like that. There you go. Like I said, it doesn't matter that this looks a bit weird, okay? The main thing is the price came back down, closed down, okay? The 5 crossed down and closed down below the 7. Everything's good to go. You know, good to go. Way and down it went. And there's some more of those higher close sell, higher close sell. And if you would have done this higher close, look what happened. It went up and it would have freaked you right out. And then they rammed it right down your throat here. Yeah. Yeah, there it goes back up. Just like I thought. And there's divergence there too. Same thing as yesterday. Look at this, man. Same thing as yesterday. They Sorry, I'm looking at another chart. I don't want to show that chart. Anyway, it's going back up. It looks just like yesterday how they sucker faked, they took it down, and then it started going up, and probably this one they'll take it up here somewhere. Who knows where they'll take it. Okay, let's look at the Dow. Oh fuck. Look at this news spike, man. 175 points right there on the news spike, the CPI or whatever the hell it was. I really don't give two flying fucks about the news. I know it makes the market move. I know. And there's people who pass these evals and combines with the prop firms with the news. Oh, good luck for you. Me, I don't touch it with a 10-foot pole. See this 10-foot pole right here? I won't touch it, man. I stay away from the news. And you know what else I stay away from? The opens of markets. At like 2 in the morning, we have the market opening. Can you guess where? In Dublin. That's right, Dublin. You know where Dublin is? It's in, I don't know, it's like Scotland or Ireland or somewhere over there. And then at 3 o'clock, they say, well, this is when the UK session opens, right? And you know what they usually do on that open? They just go after your stops on the top and the bottom. That's all they do. It doesn't move and go anywhere. And then the main market that opens that I truly try and avoid the first few minutes until I can get a grab or a feel of where it's going is at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time when the US stock market opens up, because that's what we're trading. If you're trading any of these indices, the NASDAQ, the S&P, or the Dow, it all has to do with stocks. And I don't trade stocks. And I don't even look at stocks. So it's kind of crazy, but do you really need to go and look at the stock market to see where the NASDAQ or S&P is going to go? I don't know. Some people do. And it's very helpful to them, this information. But me, nada, nothing at all. And I just wanted to say that because I'm trying to say that it's in your best interest to avoid all market opens and news events. If you do, you'll probably save half of your losses right there. But anyway, there's some people who trade it successfully. I am not that person. I'll lose my fucking ass very quickly. Very, 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 very quickly. Okay, so, what do I want to say here? There's nothing to say. It's just a fucking mess. It's a mess. Just forget it. The pound, let's take a quick look at that. Oh, look at the deep dips on this. Okay. We have one of these right here. Sell fake, hook up, buy it here. It goes up a little bit. That's it. There's nothing really there. There's nothing there to write home Ma and say, Ma, it went up 200 points and pips today. Ma don't care. The euro, okay. Zing, 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 zing. Some more shit like the pound. Forget that. Pound yen. Oh, big baton. See the big baton? With the wick on the top and the wick on the bottom. But you know what's really funny? There is divergence on that big candle. There really is. right there, and you would have got in somewhere in there. And if you would have got in there, well, you would have suffered 20 pips drawdown, and it went up 28. And that's it. And then up here, do we have a trade up here? Higher highs? No. No. No, we don't have a trade there. Forget it. But anyway, the cross five, I was going to say that backwards. The 5 crossed down below the 7. The price closed down below the 7. All that we have to wait for now is a ultimate entry, which is right there. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. See that? Higher close, sell it, down it goes. And if you were brave and you wanted to try this one, what is this one? It is a buy fake, sell it, hook down, down it goes, and it was good. There's your setups for the pound yen. Euro yen probably looks exactly the same as this chart. Yeah, see? Same thing. Same shit, different currency pair. Yeah. I'm not even, do I really need to mark it? I'll put one little doodah on there for ya. Why not? Oh, look what we have here. This one right here. We have a buy fake and it's a hookup, see? Buy fake right here, sells back down. This is where you would look to sell. But then there's another higher close here, sell it here, and down it goes. And how much would have it went down from there? 46 pips on the euro yen. So there's the trade on the euro yen. It's hard to look at that when it's too big, eh? Yeah, it is for me. Okay, there's the one trade right in there on the euro yen. It would have worked out. Let's look at oil now. Oh, oil did a nice grind down. You see the divergence here, right here? To sell it. So you would have sold it in there. And on the way down, we had lots of trades. There's one there. And one there. Hate it when they don't go in the right place where you see the whole thing. There. 3 sells on oil, and it was all good. Yeah, they came from 79 bucks a barrel right on down to 78 bucks a barrel. Yeah, there's a trade over here too to buy it. You just gotta do a little ingenuity here. But anyway, if I drew it from here, it's just a little shy, okay? And I call that a shy double bottom because this side's a little shy than this side. And you would have got long right in here, and it went up 62 ticks on oil. Yes. There was news today on oil at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, I believe it was. I don't know, where's 10:30? Was it right here? Yeah. See, I find the biggest candle. This was the news right here. Went down and went back up and then went down again. Yeah, that's the usual trickery. Okay, let's look at gold now. What do we have here? Basically have a double top right there. Okay. See, right there, double top, boom. But guess what? if you got into the trade right here, well, it went down 100 ticks, points, whatever you want to call them. But before it went down, it went up. And your stop would have been right here, and they would have got you. They would have got your stop. And then it went, then it went back up, and it was like a hook down. And if you would have sold it in here, it would have worked out. Here's another higher close, sell it, higher close, sell it. Here, let's put on a few of these doodads. That's about it. You would not have sold down here. Remember, you always want to sell up here near the top. You want to sell up here, but not at the top. And why you don't want to try and sell it at the top, even though it'd be the ultimate trade on this particular situation. The reason why you don't want to sell it near the top, because when it's up there at the top and you sell it, do you know it's going down for sure? You're at the top, man. You don't know for sure. So you got to wait for some confirmation to prove to you, okay, it's going to go down. That's where you look for the trade near the top. When it changes direction, it starts to come down. Okay? Yes. Okay. So let's look at Bitcoin now. Let's see what Bitcoin did. Oh, it's still hanging up there in XRP. It's still in the exact same place as yesterday. A couple, a little bit just above this line. It hasn't moved. Okay. Yeah, that's what's happened with XRP and silver. Yeah, it's still coming down. And Ethereum, it's the same thing. The cryptos are unchanged basically from yesterday. They haven't done anything new or special. Okay, that's it for the setups for today. I want to thank you for coming out and watching and listening. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It's free to subscribe. And if you like the show, give it a like. It's free to like. Okay? All right. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.